yayogera actually very big n'agamba nti yakozesa buwunga kati kambawulira amazima. I have low blood pressure, I have low cell degeneration and low immunity. Sisobola obuwunga, according to what people say, that's cocaine. I cannot, because even if I snorted a tiny thing like this, nfiirawo. Naye olinga ali sure n'akyogera buli omu. Every single person, no matter what I post that is positive, they will talk about buwunga. They know you, calls you and asks, okay, Jackie, is this the truth? Is this and this? Already they have a bias. Just boba agarachi mawulire. So my question is, when it comes to the media, you don't even know the role that you play with destroying people. And yet you have a bigger voice than those of us ababera ku microphone ne mu studio. The voice you have is way much bigger. Nentoka point nengamba n'obuwunga, even if I'm getting 1 gram of actual cocaine, ezo sente embanzi jewa because irregular plot number. But the whole world knew that. So in terms of the industry, nobody ever gives chance to people to speak the truth. By the narrative yawe, and that's exactly what pushes us to do what it is that we do. We have doctors here. And I speak on behalf of like I told you today, medically, I'm called a recovering addict because any trigger can take me back into addiction. However, in Jesus' name, I believe I am recovered, fully recovered. But that aside, today I'm speaking as an addict, for example. A lot of times when all of you who do not use or use any substances or who have never gone through depression point a finger at us, let me use the word us, you mess us up. What we are doing is wrong. When we were growing up, they always told us there are two voices. That's why I say this addiction or depression is very spiritual. The voice is Satan, it is Shaitan. But again, amplifier. It not best being and top of that from 1 time. Yes, singer. I got to believe it when I went through what I went through. But the other small voice that tells you what you're doing is wrong is this small, because I've heard it before. I've attempted suicide 6 times. The reason as to why I can still be able to stand and talk about what I went through is God. And second, I don't want anyone to go through what it is that I went through. I don't. The fact that Tuli one of the UNMF, it's about musicians, Katinze. Maybe it's a blessing that I'm a musician. So I went through this. Media and Mwapisa Mobiji, we went from rehab on Sanga videos, RIP Jackie, we shall miss your music. Come on, a video. Seven of them in a video until we shall miss your music. How do you think I felt? Until I'm coming out. Is whatever it is that I was abusing, I'm not saying that I'm not condoning or saying it is good. But what I'm saying is one, for me I had a back problem. I had a problem. Madam here has a problem. I had a problem. That what I was using is called pethidine. And by the way, outside this continent, it's called Demerol. It's what killed Michael Jackson. If you didn't know. It's what killed Michael Jackson. So I was working on my pain, but it had other things kubali that it was doing for me. I suffer from chronic insomnia. Ngasevak. Nega kastamfune yukiseo, pethidine. We have doctors here. You know it. Kastamfune yukiseo, bana inga neva. Ndio mpande seko bubiti babloga media. muwandiise kino, this has gone out. Nzuka kumachanga sina kyenzijukira. Neerabira obulumi bwange. Nenkola ki? Nengamba at least nfuna comfort here. But you see, within that time, ebintu byali bingi ebyaliwo. When I come to talk about my friends, when I come to talk about the people around me, somebody spoke about speaking to people. Si kyangu zinali njogera n'omuntu nga mukaabirira. Nti bannange, this and this has happened. Not even 20 minutes pass. Mwangisaba ku internet. N'otuula n'ogamba naye. Kati omuntu n'agamba nedda. Ngebedde ku simu yange kirabika they are tracking my phone. N'otuuka point n'ogamba, who in God's name can I trust? The doctor spoke about bottling things up. We bottle things up. There is nobody that you can trust because bw'ogenda w'omuntu ng'olina ekizibu and it is just money. The time when I was taken to, there are pictures of mine which came out with bottles and injections. Do you know they were paid for? But do you know they are classified photos? They are classified photos. Kati natuuka point nange where I was. Remember, if I can come out of rehab and then everybody saying RIP Jackie, byensanze wabweru. Since mulimu kumpayiriza nti nkozesa buwunga, cocaine, nkozesa njaga, nkozesa ki, kankozesa ebintu nkole ki, ngendere ddala. Naye nga Mukama alina pulaani ki, endala. So for me to sit here with everybody else, with everyone here on this panel, and people who care about mental health, by the way, ebweru kasita ogamba I'm stressed. Bayinza n'okuwa 5-star hotel presidential suite. Owummule, ne bakuwa champagne, ne bakuwa, what is it? We have people, we've been out here, tutambuddeko. You know presidential suite. Bakuwa buli kimu. Naye omuntu ayinza okujja ng'alina musujja, ne bamuteeka mu normal ward. Naye omuntu agamba nti I'm stressed. Naye kati e Uganda zinagambako omuntu one time nti I'm stressed. Naye gwe wabaaki. Ndoza visa zezikutawaanyako. Otambudde nnyo mu bazungu. Kati stress, what is that? People do not understand that. So mental health, when it comes to the decisions you make under normal circumstances, or kola decisions nga mentally oli bulungi. Kati fenga bayimbi wano. Okay, let's take an example. Oli upcoming. Otambudde ogenze ku stage. Ne bakuvuma. From when the song has started, ne DJ n'akosaasira n'asika ki oluyimba ovaayo. What do you think? And yet you have worked maybe for 6 months okufuna sente okusasulira ki that one song. What do you think that artist is going through? Kati gwaza okukwata gundi kucoveringa event mujja muvuma. But you're not thinking about what that person is going to go through ngazeeyo wa ewaka. You won't think about that. Let's put aside addiction. There are people here who work in offices. For years, you're in a certain post, then somebody walks in, because of money, this is about experience. You know, the country, the world is different right now. It's about experience. Position. Every time when the person is given that position, what is this person doing? If you're a female, post. With all the expertise that I have and experience, why in God's name are they giving this person? Can't imagine they sack you, not die a worker. Then you have to apply to different places for work. You get to those places, they don't employ you. You go back home. So you're trying this over and over again. When you get back home, you're thinking, not so much, why? What am I not doing wrong? Do you know that's enough for depression? It's enough. But for you, let me speak for you on the outside. I want to know that, for example, an addict or about depressed. muvuddeko muve ku njaga. Everything is, by the everything is connected to njaga. That is the weirdest thing. That's why I don't understand Ugandans. They don't think. Because when you go to kusimu, that is already a what? An addiction. Ngatova ku laptop, it's an addiction. When ngatova mu studio, it's an addiction. Ngatova ku porn, nze nali mu rehab omuntu ya made a hole in the mattress. Oyo addict abaaki? Porno. Olaba porno? Yeye yateekamu gundi ekituli muki mufaliso nga afaaki porno. Kati you will not understand that when mujja kutunulira said I was speaking like an addict, you look at us ngaba gwe baddalu. But you will not understand where this thing comes from. That's why when it comes to mental health, even the addiction, depression and what, ask where this thing comes from. We have doctors here. I hope one of our doctors here can explain what dopamine is. My issue started with the back problem. Later me atuka when I take up a drug, pethadine. The pain disappears in 30 seconds, but remember I have a chronic insomnia. Fresh. Like that's what fast forward. There is no action it is that you do on this earth that has no consequence. That's why depression, addictions are very spiritual. Very.